Well, thank you very much, Derek. And as you say, I have the pleasure not only this morning of opening this workshop, but of closing it. And wow, what a day it's been. In the 1970s, I had the chance to go to Yankee Stadium to Major League Baseball's All-Star game. And I was starstruck then, and I had the exact same feeling today. I mean, this was just absolutely extraordinary. At today's workshop, I feel like I not only got my CME for the year, but that I participated in travel to the future of medicine with a host of great guides. Having gotten there, I learned I may have to make Sophie's choice. Will it be investment in biomarkers, machine learning, or building greater teamwork? Laura gave me hope that perhaps we could invest to incentivize the collaborative strengths of all of these opportunities. And I guess I'd say, as someone who tends to invest more in mutual funds than individual stocks, that sort of appeals to me. But I think there's still going to be some important choices to make. For example, if we were to build new tools, who are they for? Of course, ultimately for the health of the patient. But as I think this last conversation and other conversations pointed out today, we might want to also think about if the best way forward is to just build these tools for our doctors, or might they have greater impact if they're aimed more broadly at the team, and particularly if that team includes the patient at the center. So, as Daniel said, this workshop was meant to provide an opportunity to crowdsource a complicated problem. And I'd have to say, without a doubt, all the speakers delivered. For that, I thank the planning committee for their brilliance in finding the best and the brightest minds to advance this important discussion. I thank all of our speakers. You were fantastic. You knocked it out of the park. I also want to thank those of you in our audience who shared your questions and comments. You really pushed our speakers to ponder the most important issues. Finally, I want to commend and thank the National Academies staff led by Emily Zavon, who this staff is the secret sauce in making this all work. This is not only true for pulling off the meeting today, but for all the work they did to get us organized and to guide me and the planning committee so that our individual contributions could be harnessed to make something that was clearly greater than the sum of our individual parts. So thank you all for your contributions. I think they will absolutely impact the thinking of the Moore Foundation and others as they try to improve diagnostic excellence. And as a final reminder and I hope we see many of you at the upcoming workshops that are planned by the National Academies in collaboration with the Gordon and Betty Moore Foundation to improve diagnostic excellence. So thank you very much and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye now.